Common monomial factor. To get the common monomial factor, we need to determine the greatest common factor or the GCF, of all the terms in the polynomial, and write each term as the product of the GCF, and another factor. For us to get the common monomial factor, we need to know first, how to get the greatest common factor or the GCF. Let's say we have the numbers 6 and 18. We need to determine which numbers, the given, are divisible. 6 and 18 are both divisible by 2. Also, they are both divisible by 3. And 6. To determine the GCF, we just need to get the highest number that 6 and 18 are both divisible. In this case, that is 6. So the GCF of 6 and 18 is 6. Another example. We have the numbers 16 and 40. Both numbers are divisible by 2, by 4, and by 8. Since 8 is the highest number, that 16 and 40 are both divisible, meaning the GCF is 8. Now, let's try to get the greatest common factor or the GCF of the variables. Given x raised to 2, y raised to 2, and x raised to 5, z. We just need to know what variable or variables are the given two terms have common. The two given terms have common variable x. Since they have common variable x, we just need to know what is the lowest degree for the variable x. We have x raised to 2 and x raised to 5. The lowest degree is 2. So we will get x raised to 2 as the GCF of the given. Another example. We have y raised to 6 and y raised to 8. Both terms have common variable y, and the lowest degree for the variable y is 6. So, the GCF of the given is y raised to 6. Now, let's try to get the common monomial factor. Given x raised to 2 plus x. First, we need to get the GCF of both terms. Since there is no numerical coefficients, we don't have GCF for numerical coefficients. For the variables, both terms have common variable x, and the lowest degree is 1. So the GCF is x. After knowing the GCF, we need to divide the given to our GCF. So we will have x raised to 2 divided by x plus x divided by x. X raised to 2 divided by x is x. We need to write the answer inside the parenthesis. Next, x divided by x is x raised to 0. X raised to 0 is equivalent to 1. Our final answer, or the factored form of the given, is x times the quantity of x plus 1. Another example. Given 6a raised to 3, b raised to 3, c raised to 2, plus 8a, b, c raised to 3. First, we need to get the GCF of the numerical coefficients and variables. For the numerical coefficients, 6 and 8, the GCF is 2. For the variables, the two terms have common variables, a, b, and c. Getting the lowest degree for the variables, the GCF is a, b, c raised to 2. Now we have our GCF. We just need to divide the given by the GCF. Now, let's divide one by one. 6 divided by 2 is 3. A raised to 3 divided by a is a raised to 2. B raised to 3 divided by b is b raised to 2. C raised to 2 divided by c raised to 2 is 1. Or we can just cancel out the c raised to 2. Plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. A divided by A. Cancel out. B divided by B. Cancel out. C raised to 3 divided by C raised to 2 is C. Our final answer. 2a, b, c raised to 2 times the quantity of 3a raised to 2, b raised to 2 plus 4c